Let's make caldo de res, a delicious Mexican beef stew. You will need beef chuck bones. That bone marrow will give the soup a lot of flavor and nutrients. I use beef chuck short ribs, or you can use pieces of beef chuck. We have potatoes, 2 Mexican zucchini, 2 carrots, fresh corn that you can quarter, a half a head of green cabbage, half an onion, 2 celery, 2 garlic cloves, 1 jalapeno, and 1 bay leaf. Season the meat with salt and pepper. And chop your veggies in bite-sized pieces. Finely dice your onion. And your jalapeno, remove the ribs and the seeds. And finely mince your garlic. Heat the olive oil in a large stock pot. Add the beef and the bones. And you want to sear it on all sides. This will give the soup its rich flavor. Now add your onion and the garlic and the jalapeno. Saute that for about a minute or until translucent. Fill the pot with hot water, and you want to make sure that you cover up all the meat. Add salt. Cover and simmer for 1 hour. Now let's add our vegetables. We're going to start with the celery, the carrots, the corn, and the potatoes. And we're going to let it simmer for about 20 minutes. And lastly, we're going to add our zucchini, our cabbage, and our herbs. And we're going to let it simmer for about another 10 minutes or so. Check and see your seasoning. So I added a little bit more salt and some garlic powder. Cover the pot and cook until the vegetables are tender and cooked through. The soup is done now. You want to remove the beef and the beef bones and start shredding your meat. And you're ready to serve. This is a very hearty soup, and I'm convinced you're gonna love it. Add your shredded meat, good squeeze of lime, top with some cilantro and some salsa, and enjoy the soup with some fresh warm tortillas. This is the perfect soup for a cold day. Enjoy!